Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to paint this beautiful rock. It's very basic. I do this tutorial so you can start doing your own rocks. You can use this design or you can create your own design. This design I was doing it while I was doing the rock, so nothing was set on the stone, if you know what I mean. Well, the paints that I use are acrylics. I use black, purple, green, light purple, which I just blended the purple with white, and I use white paint, of course, and the gold paint. I'll leave the link on the description of this video of all the paints that I use and some of the other stuff that I use for my art and crafts. When you paint the colors, you don't have to worry about the lines in between because those are gonna be covered with the gold paint, as you saw at the beginning of the video. I decided to do some holographic figures. As you can tell, they're not symmetrical. The circles or the curls, they're separated not at the same distance. Again, you can do anything that you want. You can do just dots, you can do squares, triangles, any color that you want. There is no limit to this creation, and you can use different colors as you may please. I decided to use yellow because it reminds me to the Lakers, and actually purple is one of my favorite colors, and so is green. If you want, you can do two coats of the colors. Just make sure that the paints are dry, or you can blend the colors. This gave me an idea of doing the purple, for example, on this rock. I was gonna do blending colors. I'm gonna do another rock similar to this so I can explain better what I'm trying to say. So continue with the rock. I decided to put some stripes at the bottom, the two colors that I'm using, the two purple ones. And as I said, this rock, I just doing it as I go, as I see how I like it, what can integrate on it. So I decided to put some yellow dots. And then after the yellow dots, on the strips at the bottom, I decided to do white dots. You can use dotting tools as well. I do have dotting tools, but I wanted to show you that you can do it with just basic brushes. I continue by applying a little bit of black paint on top of the yellow dots. And on the black section, I use the white paint because the contrast looks better with the white and black. So I just continue one of the curls, and I added some kind of leaves, or I don't know, whatever you want to call them, and add that at the end of the curl. And I did another one at the other side, the same, it's just the opposite direction. And I decided to do some lines. These are not dots. These are lines that I did on the edge of the black paint. And the last step is to cover where the paint joins with the gold color. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like the content of this channel. If you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. And also let me know what you think about this rock. As I said on all my videos, my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks or paint anything that you want, but just to start doing it. You can do it. You might think that it's difficult, but you can do it. And at the end, I decided to apply some gold paint around the yellow dots, but I recommend you to, if you're gonna do this design, to do the gold dot first with something bigger, and then the yellow dot with the back of the brush, or a dotting tool, the smaller dotting tool, and then the black. I think it would look nicer. Again, I hope you like this video, and I hope I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.